What's going on, everybody? Today we are opening it depends. The prices are all over the place, but zero edition pin box. Anywhere from $600+ for this box. And we are opening it and going to be listing the pins on eBay. The biggest one that you want to get is probably going to be the Harpic and, well, the robot's going to be the biggest one. Harpic probably the second. So we are going to be opening all the... You can find the pins on our eBay, V-Scoots Epic Deals. So here's all the pins that you guys can get. They are not numbered. So this is zero edition, the first pins ever made by Veefriends, and they are not numbered. Though, obviously being the first pins, the quantity is probably not too high on them. And this is it. You get 2 pins per box. So back then they did 2 pins a box, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to go ahead and open up all these boxes, and then we're going to see what pins we got. Again, to find us, search V-Scoots Epic Deals on eBay. And you can search that term on Google if you want to find us. But yeah. Alright, so now that we went through all of the pins, we're going to go and open them up now. Wow. Okay, here we go. Angel, nice. Very nice. Yeah, so they're not numbered. They just say Veefriends. Oh, holy crap. Holy cow. This is it. The rarest one. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is big. That's big. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's go. Yeah, that robot we're going to be keeping. Oh, these are so nice. Well, dapper. Look how thin. So cool. Now let's get a Harpic. I want a Harpic for my personal collection. I had one and we sold it. The Helpful Hippo. It is very interesting just to see like what they actually picked for the first pins. And what's wild is the back colors like are all, not all of them, but a lot of them are different colors. So these are, you got black, and then you got silver, and then you got black, gold. They definitely, because now they make a lot of the backs the same. So they definitely weren't as efficient back then, but back then they were just getting started. And look at this mix. This is insane. Like, I've opened boxes before and I've gotten so many doubles. Like, crazy amount of doubles. It was almost sickening. Look at this. Look at this mix. This is incredible. Oh, could we actually complete? That would be wild if we completed a set. So there's our first double. Come on, Harpic. Come on. Double Angel. Now that I say that, and now we're probably going to get all doubles. It doesn't matter. The robot just topped it off. Like, that was just a grail. Like, grail of grails. All doubles, probably. That's funny. Oh, what do we got? Little crabby. No, wait. This is the... Yeah, this is the Happy Hermit Crab. So that's not a double. How many? Let me check this box for a second, guys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we need 3 more. We need the turkey, the harpic, and the dog. Come on. Come on. Be a complete box. Come on. Come on, harpic. Come on, turkey. Come on, dog. Give us a complete... Oh, this is a hard one. Come on, come on, come on. Be a dog. Be a dog. Yeah, buddy. Okay, we need the turkey and the harpic to have a complete set. That would be insane to get a complete set in a full case. Come on, harpic. Come on, harpic. Come on, turkey and harpic. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Turkey! Come on, harpic. The harpic is one of the second hardest ones to get. Come on. Come on, harpic. Come on, harpic. Oh, no, come on. Can we do it? It feels bigger. Come on. Do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh, hippo. Can you believe it? Only the harpic. The harpic's the only one to complete a set. I might have to check eBay. Maybe I'll have to have a full set of the 0 edition pins. That would be pretty sick. That's so cool. If there's one on eBay, I'm going to have a full set. And all these doubles will flip. So V-Scoots Epic Deals, you can find all the doubles. That was fun. I love 0 edition pins. I wish I had more boxes and cases. So freaking cool.